Hey everyone, it's Tate and welcome back to my channel and another weekly vlog. So today is Monday, April 20th, I believe. I need to get a calendar. I never know what date it actually is. I know the day of the week that it is, but I don't know the date. So the course of action today, I have two big things that I really need to get done today. One of them is to film some YouTube videos, and then the other is to mow the yard, which is not the most fun job in the world, but something that has to be done. So I'm thinking I will probably do my videos first, get all of my inside work done, and then work outside. So the videos that I'm filming this morning, I'm actually really excited. One of them is a thrift with me, but on ThredUp. So especially since everyone is staying at home and Goodwill and the thrift stores aren't open, I thought it would be a really fun way to take you guys along with me and show you how I thrift on ThredUp. And then the other one is actually a wardrobe tour. I actually don't own that many clothes, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys like how many I do own. And one of the big reasons I started thrifting was so I could build my wardrobe and not spend a ton of money. So I'm doing that this morning, and then like I said, I'll mow this afternoon because it's kind of dirty work, and I'll take a shower and such after that. So yeah, I'm going to actually make myself some tea this morning. I'm currently trying to do some intermittent fasting. So it's basically where you don't eat breakfast until like 11 a.m. and you can eat from 11 a.m. till 7 p.m. And it's just supposed to help kind of give your digestion a break, a little bit of a reset. And I believe you can drink tea because you can still drink things in the morning. So I don't know the actual like rules of intermittent fasting, but I gotta have my tea this morning. So I'm gonna have that this morning and then get started on the day. So I just finished filming my online thrift with me, and I'm gonna give my mind a little bit of a break. I need to go to the mailbox and ship out something that I sold on Poshmark, so it'd be nice to just get outside for a little bit. I do plan on going for a walk today as well, so I might do that in a little while. And then I need to film my wardrobe tour, if you will. And I'm hoping to do all that this morning before lunchtime so I can mow in the afternoon when it's a little bit warmer. So I am really happy though with my online thrift with me. I hope you guys really like it, because if you do, I might continue doing those even after all of the stay-at-home orders and stuff are out and done with. I might keep doing those. So I am going to go mail that package, and then I will be back in this room filming a little bit more. So I just got back in from mailing my package and also from FaceTiming my sister-in-law, which was a nice unexpected surprise. It's about 1:30 now, so it's a little bit later than when I wanted to film my video, but it is Monday, so I need to get a video up. So I'm going to film that really quick and then hopefully get the yard done at a good time this evening. So yeah, it's been a really good Monday. I thoroughly enjoy Mondays. I started working on my schedule for the week on Sunday nights. I make a cup of tea and sit in bed and watch Escape to the Chateau, which is an amazing show, and I will link it below if you would like to watch it. So I put an episode of that on while I'm working on my planner, and it really has been helping me stay productive and focused during the week, especially with being at home. I go back to work actually in 2 weeks. The kids that I babysit are coming back for 3 days a week in 2 weeks. So it's kind of given me a good indication of all the stuff that I can get done in the next 2 weeks. So that being a little rambling session said, I am going to get started filming my video. over on Instagram, I am participating in a stay home ready challenge, which is basically where every day you get up, do your hair, do your makeup, and get dressed. So this is day 3 that I am doing it, and this is my outfit. Just a thrifted pink skirt, and then this is a Madewell sweater I got, I think, a year ago, maybe like 2 years ago. So I've had it for a while. I love this outfit. And then I'm also wearing my Missouri necklace, which is like my favorite. And then just my classic pearl earrings. And I also did my hair in a side braid. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I braided up here and down there. So I thought it would be nice for something a little bit different. Oh, and here is, let me kind of stand in the sun a little bit. Here's the dresser all done. I'm really pleased with it. I need to get handles and stuff on it. Here, let me shut these real quick. But there it is. So this will go in our bedroom now that it is completely dried. I'm really excited to put it in there. So I have been working on my new YouTube video. Well, I'm working on my notes for my new YouTube video. I'm going to be doing let me rephrase that. I'm going to be doing my top 10 things I am looking for this spring and summer to buy secondhand. So I think it will be really fun to go through. It's fun just getting all of my inspiration back from my Pinterest boards and kind of searching through and actually making a list of things that I want. I find that sometimes I have a mental list, but I get my mental list kind of mixed up sometimes, so it's nice to actually write it down. So it is about 12 o'clock right now, and I have not eaten at all. I'm still doing the intermittent fasting. So I'm going to make myself some lunch and then finish up on my notes for my YouTube video, and then film that and hopefully get to sewing. The time just seems to be flying today. I can't believe it's already lunchtime. So hopefully we'll do that and at least get the YouTube video done and uploaded today, and then maybe we can start sewing tomorrow, or maybe I'll sew a little bit tonight. So yeah, gonna go get ready to make some lunch. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are those 2 birds sitting right on our windowsill. They like to eat the screens of our rental house and just hang out right there. So it's definitely not perfect because I'm still wanting to work on this, but it looks a whole lot better than what it did before. So while the side table is drying, I am going to start working on I'm dropping everything. The masks that I started making last week, I need to pin them for the pleats, which I'm a little bit nervous about, that I've never done pleats before, but I need to pin all of these and get them all ready to then sew the, well, I don't even know if it's elastic, but the string to be able to tie them on. I need to sew them on the mask and after that. So I'm going to work on that for a little while this next coat is drying. So there she is. It was rising in the oven with just the light on. The heat was not on overnight for 12 hours. And then I had to let it sit for 2 hours this morning out on the counter, and it is now baking. So hopefully it turns out well. It'll be nice to have like a sandwich sized loaf. So I just got done mowing and the bread is done, as you can see. I was listening to Hamilton while I was mowing. Good soundtrack to listen to while you were trying to do something that involves physical labor. So while I'm in my grungy clothes, I'm going to go up and put the first coat of sealer on my side table, and then I might either start working on the face masks or I may do yoga. I'm not entirely sure, but it's been a very productive morning so far. Later on this afternoon, I'm gonna be FaceTiming my cousin for a little while, which will be fun. Yeah, it's beautiful outside. The grass is super green and everything is starting to open up and get green. Makes me really happy. It feels like this spring has taken a while to get here. So we will get ready and go seal the side table. So I got dressed for the day, even though it's like 2 in the afternoon, better late than never. And I finished pinning all of the pleats for my mask. There we go. Have all of them right here. So I think I'm going to get ready to start sewing and listen to some Disney music. I've really been into the old classic Disney movies recently. I just watched Hercules, which I had not seen since I was really young. It's actually really good. It's a very good Disney movie. I would definitely suggest it. I also watched Princess and the Frog, which was pretty good. That's not an old one, but I'd only seen it once, so that was pretty good. But I'm wanting to watch Peter Pan next, and I thought that would be fun to watch. So I might listen to the soundtrack of that while I am sewing these. So it's been about 2 hours, but I finished them all. I'm super, super happy. I finally figured out the pleats and I think they turned out really well. I messed up on a couple of them, but I think I have 20 and I was supposed to make 20 to 24. So I also got the last coat on my side table, which is exciting. And I'm getting ready to make supper now, and I think I'm going to use the sourdough bread that I made to make some grilled cheese for supper. So I'm gonna go make some supper and then enjoy the night. My husband and I might watch Jeopardy, so should be fun. It's Friday, woohoo! So today I am not gonna be filming very much because I will have to put this all together and upload it tonight. But on the agenda today is getting some photos for Instagram and potentially starting to sew a tea cozy, which this is the fabric that I am using. It's Rifle Paper Company fabric, and I thought it was so cute. These little bouquets of pink and mint and yellow colored flowers. I thought it'd be a really cute tea cozy. But that is really it on my agenda today. I don't have too terribly much. I'm wearing some florals. Got my floral maxi skirt on, and yeah, just putting together this vlog, and then that's about it for today. So I'm gonna get ready to take some photos now and then get on with the rest of the day. So I am just going through the photos now that I was taking. So as you can see, I kind of have some poses that I really like, and I try to use different things in my photos, but I'm really particular on my photos. Like for example, this one, like you see how my neck looks really strange and my hair looks like it's in a little bit of a strange spot and it's kind of like sticking out. Also, it makes me look like I'm pregnant when I stand this way, but it's crazy when you stand that way how much different the photo can look. So it's been really fun figuring out what works. So I just finished working on my vlog, and I think I am going to sign off for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed seeing my week kind of day by day. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. And if you enjoy thrifting and vlogs, I would love it if you would subscribe and follow along. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.